So today I'm going to be talking about stars, how they form, where they go, all that kind of jazz. So first, how they form. Basic stars start with hydrogen, and with fusion, as I talked about in an earlier video, it fuses and helium is formed. Then helium fuses carbon to hydrogen, hydrogen to helium, helium to carbon to oxygen. Then that's where it splits off into different kinds of stars. We can get neon, silicon, iron, and once you get these heavier stars, that's where you get some really interesting stars. And I'll be talking about those heavier ones here in a little bit. But in that formation, we get the different types of stars, which is this, the HR diagram. It was discussed in earlier grades, but I'm going to go a little more in depth now. So here we have white dwarfs, and they are low luminosity and medium temperature, but fairly high. Yeah, these white dwarfs right here, they are on the hotter side and lower luminosity. But real quick, the temperature on the HR diagram, it's weird. So it gets hotter as you get closer to the origin, and luminosity gets brighter as you get away from the origin. So it has that weird line. So really hot, cold. Really bright, not so bright. Cool. So here's those white dwarfs. Then this line right here is main sequence stars. That's where the majority of stars are. Like our star is right here. It's a very average normal star. Then here we have red giants. They're fairly bright and not too hot actually. Then here we have red supergiants. Very big, very bright, and not too hot. Then you have the yellow giants, white giants, all that kind of stuff. Then you have blue giants, which are super hot, super bright.